That's for this video. This video will be very helpful only if you use the WhatsApp business or the official WhatsApp. Apart from that, if you use WhatsApp GB, FM WhatsApp or U WhatsApp or any WhatsApp apart from the official WhatsApp and the WhatsApp business, just go to your Chrome browser or any browser that you have and then just enter this as you see on the screen. Before you go into this video, make sure you subscribe and also like this video and don't forget to share because it can happen to anyone. Okay, so let's dive into it right here. Let's go.
So we are at whatsapp.com right now, and you can see 3 lines at the top left corner. Just tap on it. Just tap on help center. When you tap on help center, just tap here and search for account ban. And please use this opportunity to like the video so that we can reach a lot of people. So after typing account ban right there, just tap on enter. Tap on about account ban right here. Just tap on it, and then here scroll down. Just scroll down and look for email us. Look for email us right here. You see it in green color. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, it will bring you to this display, and here take note of something right here. We have WhatsApp Messenger support and also we have WhatsApp business support. So depending on the account that you're using, you can see we have contact us and also contact us right here. Just select anyone and then just tap on contact us. So contact us depending on the WhatsApp that you're using. Okay, so when you tap on it, it will bring you to this display, and when you come here, just scroll down from here, scroll down a little bit, and all that you need to do is that here you will see we have phone number and it requires your country code. Okay, so just tap on this to select the country that you are with the country code. Okay, so tap on it, look for a country and select, and also you enter your phone number right here. So the phone number that has been banned, just enter that, and also your email address, of which they will send you a message that your account has been recovered. So you enter it twice right here to confirm. After that, you then choose the phone that you're using the WhatsApp on. So we have iPhone, we have Android, we have web and desktop, and also we have the other one. So after that, you can see down here we have please enter your message right here, and here this is what you're going to do. You're going to write to tell WhatsApp what has happened and everything that you want them to do for you. Okay, so I don't want to give a list or some messages for you, because when they notice that a message is coming to them repeatedly, sometimes they will not accept it. So just try as much as possible to just write something, just something small, a summary of everything that has happened and what you want them to do for you. And you look here, we have next here. Just tap on next right here. It will send you to the next screen, and then you just continue. If in case of anything, just tap on it, and then your message will be sent to WhatsApp, and later they will send you feedback telling you either your account has been recovered or not.
So after your message has been sent to WhatsApp, within 2 to 3 business working days, they will just review your account and then they will allow you to just use your WhatsApp again. But listen, it is not always that you get your account back. Sometimes when they review your account and they get to know that your account goes against their terms and conditions, and I think they have some policies too. So if they check your account and it goes against these things, your account will not be given back to you. So take note of that so that you won't be saying that I showed you how you can recover your account, but later your account was not recovered. So if you go against the terms and conditions, the policies on WhatsApp, your account will not be recovered by WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Check on the screen for more videos on WhatsApp. They are using a lot of ways to hack a lot of WhatsApp accounts. So just check this video. This video will help you or expose some ways that they use to hack WhatsApp accounts. And here is also another video for you. So it's a choice. Choose one right here. And I'll see you again in the next video. Stay alive. Bye for now.